Ministers, honored guests, it's a pleasure to welcome you to the K-Wave Rising panel. Korea's creative journey proves how discipline, collaboration, and cultural pride can turn local stories into global phenomenon. Today, we hope to share some of those lessons to see how Korea's storytelling systems and creative values can inspire Vision 2030 and new partnerships can forge between Korea and Saudi Arabia.
Every great wave begins with rhythm, the kind you can't see, but you can always feel. Korea mastered it, turning creativity into a system and passion into precision. And now Saudi Arabia is opening the stage for that rhythm to travel, a place ready to build, host, and expand with whatever comes next. Together, the masters of technique and facilitators of scale can rewrite the rule book as we know it for a world where talent and technology have no limits. Please welcome our guests to the stage, three creators who helped define the golden age of storytelling.
So we'll have director Yoon Jae-gyun, actors Lee Byung-hun and Lee Jung-jae.
They found a new place, different rules, but the same game.
I think just before we start, I've been asked to inform everyone that on the translation devices, English can be found on channel 2 and Korean could be on channel 3. So I'm happy to kick things off. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for many reasons. The first one is being in Saudi Arabia, my country. We're honored to have you. And secondly, for giving us some of your time for this panel, which I'm sure would be a very engaging and fruitful one with our audience. If I can start with you, please, Director. You know, it's amazing to see how far the space has come in Korea and you know, how it's really traveled to become a source of legitimate source power all across the world. But if I wanted to start with a personal question for you, sir, I want to know a habit that you have embodied that has improved your work so much that you find yourself doing it in your practice today.
Sorry. 한 가지만 이야기를 하라 그러면은
Well,
저는
if you
글을
want me to
쓰는
mention
거예요.
one habit, I would say it's writing.
진짜 크리에이티브하게 글을 쓰는 게 되게
I
어려운
believe
일이기는
that
하지만
creative writing is an extremely difficult
그렇다고
process.
계속 머리를 싸매면서 혼자 고민하고
the
이러는
act
것보다
of
그냥 저는
I believe that
일기 쓰듯이
rather than
그냥
torturing
매일매일
myself over it,
조금이라도
it's better to write
대본을
a little
쓰고
every
또
day,
수정을
kind
하고
of like a
하는
diary.
글 쓰는 게
So
지금까지
I would say that
또 제가
writing
작품을 계속할
is
수 있었던 큰
a
원동력이
big
아닐까
part of
생각을 합니다.
motivating power in how I continued my
Director,
work.
would you say it's almost like a form of therapy for you when you're writing?
네, 제가 하여튼 항상 그
I would say that
주로 뭐 제작도 하고 연출도 하고 뭐 많이 했었는데
I've done producing and
한
I've done
작품들은 대부분 다 제가
creating
글을
too, but
쓰고
for
또 수정을 하고
one
하는
piece I did a lot of the writing and I did a lot
대부분
of
다
the
관여를
editing.
한 것 같아요.
I
Thank
think
you so much. Next question to Byung-hun. Again, you know, you have so many fans, obviously back home, and let me tell you, you have a lot in Saudi Arabia as well. I'm one of them. Can you let us in on a secret of yours, a practice that you found yourself doing recently that has helped you with your professional work as an actor?
저는 그 배우란 직업은 다른 사람의
Personally, I think when
인생을
it comes to actor,
잠깐 대신
I think it's a
사는
job
거이기
that
때문에
live someone else's
어릴
life.
적부터 약간 사람을
So
관찰하는
in the
습관들이
past, I
생겼어요.
had this habit of
나와
watching
다른
over
버릇을
or
가진
observing
혹은,
people, someone with
다른
different
어떤 행동을
habits
하는
or someone
다른
with
생각을
different
가진
actions or
사람들을,
different thoughts.
관찰을
So I
하기
liked
시작하면서
to watch over
그 사람이
people
왜
and
저런
observe
버릇을
them,
가졌고,
and I was
왜 저런
interested in knowing
행동을
why
하며
those people
또왜
have
저런
that
생각을
specific
할까에
actions and
대한
why they have these kind of
추론을 계속
thoughts. So I always
하기
thought about
시작하고,
that
그러다
for a
보면
long
여러
time.
가지
And then I
다양한
gradually
종류의
was
어떤
able
인간상들이
to realize that there are different types of personality, and that's something that I learned by myself.
연기를 하고 또 새로운
So
작품을
that
보고
actually helped
할
me
때,
to
굉장히
display
저에게는
or
무기가,
portray different kind of
된다고,
personalities
생각했어요.
when I was engaged in my work.
Thank you so much for that. And lastly, for this question, JJ, again, you know, a lot of fans for you in this country. And I'm sure a lot of people here would like to know if you have something that you have incorporated in your daily habits that has helped you in your acting career.
저도 역시 다른 분들과 마찬가지로
I share my sentiments with others.
전 세계에서 개봉되는
I believe that
방송되는 여러
shows
영화나
or
드라마,
movies
그러니까
that
TV 쇼,
are
혹은
revealed
버라이어티
internationally,
쇼까지
as well as reality shows,
계속 많이 보는 것 같아요. 그래서
are all points of interest for me. I try to keep track
한국뿐만이
of
아니라
most of them.
다른 전
Not just
세계에
shows
있는
from
많은
Korea, but I
분들께서
try to.
어떤
I believe that many people
콘텐츠에
from around the
더
world
관심을 가지시고 또 어떤
have
포인트
interest in certain
지점에서,
kinds
어떤
of shows.
지점에서, 즐거움을
And
느끼시는지를
I
계속
believe that
체크하는
it is important to
그런
continuously check what
습관도
people
많이
around the
생긴 것
world
같고,
are
또
interested in. That's a
그럼으로써
new habit that I developed
제가
actually.
어떤 작품을 결정하는 데
And
있어서도
that
도움이
has
많이
been
되고,
very helpful
또
in
결정을
me deciding
한
my next
그 작품
projects.
안에서 제
And it has
캐릭터를
also
또 어떤
aided
식으로
me
또
in shape my character for any new
빌드해
projects I
나가는지를
take on in the
다른
future.
콘텐츠를 보면서 많이
And so I will try to
찾아가는 것
watch other
같아요.
content to draw inspiration
very much.
for my next
That's
projects.
it's interesting. It's a good segue to our next point, which is right now all of you are in the stages where you can select your projects. You're always in high demand. It was not always like that. You know, you guys have careers that span 30 years. So I want to talk a little bit about when we started, the hardships and how we overcame them. Right? Maybe I can start with Director Yoon. Tidal Wave Haeundae in 2009 was our first Korean national disaster blockbuster. No one had seen a budget that big and a Hollywood-style movie that had so much Korean emotion with it. It's one of my favorite movies. But I know it must have been very hard to get financing in 2009 for a project like that. It must have been hard to deal with the CG of it. So I want to ask you, how that project came about. How did you get it made? What were the hardest things, and what did you do to accomplish them?
해운대라는 작품은
Well, as for my craft,
한국의
Haeundae
가장 큰 휴양지의 이제 쓰나미가
is
오는
based upon the Korea's
블록버스터
one of the
영화인데요.
vacation attractions
가장
where it was
어려웠던
actually
거는,
devastated by
다른 게
tsunami.
어려웠던
The
게 아니라,
challenges I had was
아무도 투자자들이죠.
the fact that,
아무도
the
저를
investors,
믿어주지가
none of the
않았다는 게
investors had a
제일 힘들었던
trust
거예요.
in me. I think that was the
그건
most struggling
투자자분들도
part for me.
왜 그러냐면
The reason was because even before that craft Haeundae, I was engaged in producing comedy work.
감독이었는데
I was a director directing
갑자기
all the
재난
comedies,
블록버스터를
but suddenly
하겠다고 하니까
I
투자자들도
announced the world that I will go
되게
into the
의아하게
disaster
생각하고, 그
related
당시에는
work.
한국
So everyone was
영화가
surprised, the
평균
investors.
제작비가 한 30억
And
원
back
정도
then, the
됐었는데
production cost for Korean
해운대가
movies was around 3
120억
billion won, but
넘었으니까
Haeundae was about
코미디 감독한테
12 billion
이
won.
작품을
So
맡겨도 될까 하는
everyone was
투자자들의
doubtful whether it was okay
그다음
for someone
배우분들도
like me
똑같았어요.
to receive that investment. And same goes to the actors as well. I think Mr. Lee, both of you guys received the script, but they declined, I guess, right?
상했던 것 같은데 그 당시에 이제 우리
So,
이병헌 씨나 이정재 씨
Mr.
같이
Both
탑
of them,
배우들은
they someone like
코미디
them, the
감독이
famous ones,
블록버스터를 한다 그러니까 또
when they heard that someone like me would like to go on with the disaster movies, they didn't have a deep trust on me.
그냥
So
감독에 대한 그 신뢰가
the lack of
약했기 때문에
trust
그게 제일 어려웠고
to the
그거를
director
결국은
was the challenge I had back then, and the only way that I can prove is that I will do my best and prove it with the results.
진짜
So
죽기 살기로 정말
I
열심히 했던 것
was
같아요.
100%
그래서
all in with it.
한국에서는 한 번도
So
안 해봤던 그
I was able
컴퓨터
to
그래픽이 많이 들어가는 작품이었는데
introduce some of the
결국 또
computer
헐리우드까지
graphics
날아가서
in the production,
또
and I went
배우고,
into Hollywood, learned a lot from
기술적인
them
부분이라든지
in terms of the
다음 드라마적인
technology
부분이라든지
and dramas,
어떻게 하든지 잘
so that I can
성공시켜서
make it into
감독으로서
a track
능력을
record,
증명을 해야
so that I
되겠다
can
하는 그런
prove
부담감이
myself as a director.
컸었고
So that was the burden I carried. But fortunately, the result was actually very good. So that's why I am here today.
And I think it's fascinating where we are with Korean content. I think we hear the same things. Korean budgets are too high now. Let's keep doing safe shows, right? But I think this is, is it history repeating itself? I'm hoping that going forward we can take the chances of making creative content that's different. Maybe ask for a little bit more budgets and have the global industry understand that our creators are good enough to deliver on a project. And Tidal Wave, by the way, became one of the biggest box office hits that year, and it's still one of the most cherished films in Korea. I want to switch a little bit to Lee Byung-shi, and you are arguably Korea's most iconic and internationally acclaimed actor. You have 40 feature films almost under your belt, 10 TV series. But on top of that, you have 5 Hollywood films, right? And you were doing, when I first saw you in G.I. Joe, I grew up in Spain and the US. I didn't know who you were. But seeing you in a blockbuster, seeing a Korean male, 그거 되게 멋있잖아요. Just killing it was very prideful moment for me. But I understand that that must not have been an easy transition for you to go from the Korean system to the Hollywood system. So I want to ask you, not only did you do that, but you did 4 more other movies there. What was the hardest part of transitioning from a Korean system to the US system? What was good, what was bad, what would you keep from it?
사실 헐리우드의 블록버스터를
Well,
거의 처음 이제
I
제가
believe it was one of my very first
가서
Hollywood
경험을
blockbusters that I filmed. It was my first
정말 되게
experience.
막막했어요.
And I felt very out of depth.
망망대해에서
It felt as if I was thrown out into
어디가
the
어딘지
Pacific
모른
Ocean
채로
and I had no sense of
육지를
direction.
찾아서 계속
But I
앞으로
had to
수영해 나가는
continue
것
swim
같은
forward looking for
그런
land.
막막함이 좀
That
있었어요.
was how daunting it felt to be in a
문화가
Hollywood
다르고
film.
언어가
Different
다른
cultures,
곳에서
different language,
내가
and
그들의
there I
언어와
was
또
trying
그들의
to use their
문화를
language
바탕으로 어떤
and trying to base myself on their
감정을
culture
표현해야 되고
to
연기를
portray
해야
my
된다는 게
emotions and act in front of the
제가
screen.
생각했던 것보다
And that
상당히
was
좀 힘들었었던
much more
것
difficult
같아요.
than I have ever thought.
And you did 4 more, right? So you kept on going back.
그렇죠.
I guess you could say
해보는
that.
거 계속
I thought,
부딪혀보자
well, I'm here now,
생각이었고
so I should continue
너무
doing it.
고맙게도 캐스팅 제의가
And
계속
thankfully,
왔었고
I continued to get casting
특히나,
offers.
서부 영화 Magnificent Seven을 찍었을
And
때는
when I was
어릴
filming
적부터
Magnificent
아버지하고 함께
Seven,
보던 그런
I
어떤
was reminded
실제
of
웨스턴,
the
네,
Western movie, actual Western
한국
movies that I
배우가,
watched with my father when I was young. And it felt very
메인 배우
monumental
중에 한 명으로,
that a Korean
함께
actor was
연기를
cast
할수
as one of
있었다는 게
the main
저한테는
characters of a Western
꿈만
film.
같은 그런
It was a
경험이었죠.
dream come true for me.
And 이정지 씨는 you just did Acolyte, your first U.S. show. It must have been difficult, being all in English language. It must have been a bit different system versus what you're used to. The question is, it was a great show. You were successful. Do you feel as though, and Lee Byung-shi, and the same question goes for you guys, do you feel as though you need to do English language shows now, given how popular Korean language shows and Korean actors are doing? 10 years ago, everyone wanted to succeed in Hollywood. Is it necessary now to do Hollywood shows, or can we just do Korean language shows that are bigger in scale? What do you think?
글쎄요, 뭐
Well,
이
personally,
연기라는 것이
when it comes to
언어에서
acting, I
주는
think
어떤 그런 표현이 굉장히
the expressions from
중요하기
language
때문에
do matter.
다른 나라 언어로
So,
연기한다라는 것이
acting
매우
in
좀
a foreign
낯설고
language was
또 어려운 부분이
a little
있기는
difficult
했어요.
and a little awkward for me personally.
그 스타워즈 그 TV
So,
쇼를
as for Star Wars TV show, when I did a Star Wars TV show,
다른 나라 언어로 이렇게
I
연기를 잘 해낼 수 있을까?
was doubtful whether I could be engaged in international films speaking in a foreign language because back then in the past
테크 쪽으로 굉장히 이제 발전을 많이 하고 있었던
there was a lot of
때여서
development in the tech side. So
그때 당시에도 그 아콜라이트 찍을 때도
when I was engaged in
중간중간마다
Acolyte,
보이스 레코드를 이제
I had to
했거든요. 그래서
do the
왜
voice
이거 하는
recording.
거냐라고 했더니
and so I asked them why I have to do
후반작업에서
the voice
저의
recording,
목소리로
and they
이제
said that
다른 대사를 또
the
만들어서
half of the
편집할 수도
movies
있다.
will
그래서
utilize
이제
the voice recorded through the technology, so that's why the voice recording was done.
해놓는 거다라고 얘기를
So that
하시더라고요.
was the
그래서
answer from the
어,
technicians.
이게 물론 이제 그 다른 나라의
So,
언어를
of
굉장히
course,
충분히 연습을 해서 연기를 하는 것이 더
Practicing a
진정성
foreign
있고
language
더
to
좋은
engage in
방법이긴
acting
하지만은
is the best way to
좀 더
have
많은
trust.
작품에 출연을
But
할 수 있다면은
If I were to be
이렇게
able to engage in
기술적인
more
도움을
work or
받아서
craft,
많은 작품에
maybe
또 출연을 하는 것도 좋은 방법일 수도
backed by the
있겠다라는
technology
생각을
will
하게
be
됐어요.
another
그러다
opportunity.
보니까
So
저뿐만 아니라
not only me, but
다른
other
나라의 많은 배우분들이
artists around the world,
자신의
even
연기력만 뛰어나다면은 다른 나라의
when they have a good
언어도
acting
기술적인
capability,
어떤 그런 도움을
I think
받아서
they can receive the technological
또 훌륭한
support
것도 잘
to engage
만들어낼
in
수
an
있는
international
그런
film.
시대가 되는 게
So I think this is an
아닐까.
era
그렇다
that we're
보면은
in.
모르겠습니다.
So
이 연기라는 것이 꼭
in that regard,
나의 그러니까 기술적인 도움을 받지 않고 나의
I think acting,
연기로만 하는 것이 더 의미가 있기는
I don't,
하지만
of course, it is more meaningful if we don't receive any technological support, but
또 그런 작품들에서는 또
the
큰
works
도움이
that's
되지
related to
않을까라는
entertainment
생각을
factors
하면서
might be helpful if we receive more support from the technology. So going forward, I'm curious to know what kind of the world we will be experiencing, actually.
근데 저희는 함께 그 스퀴드 게임을 같이 했잖아요.
So we did the Squad
그
game together.
경험을 통해서 어떤 생각을 했냐면
So what we thought was
사실 그 세계 많은 그 배우들이나 혹은
the
감독들이
actors around the world and also the directors
헐리우드에서
around the
어떤
world
경험을 해보고 싶어 하고 또
wanted to
최종적인 어떤
experience
목표로
in
삼기도
Hollywood,
하고
and then that
그런
is their
경우들이
ultimate
이전
goal or
시대에는
destination.
있었다면
And that
그
was
스트리밍
actually
서비스의
what
어떤
everyone in the past had as their goal. But
우리는 함께
the
또
power of the
느꼈어요.
streaming
그렇기 때문에
service is something that both of us have experienced as well.
스트리밍
So
인해서
because of the
어느
rise of the
나라에서건,
streaming service now
컨텐츠
enabled
자체만
all the
이야기만
people
정말
around the
굉장히
world
훌륭하다면 이제는
with the
그것이
great
어떤 언어이든
content,
어떤 문화이든
albeit different cultures or languages, they have a capacity to have a success as a Hollywood blockbuster. So I think we have different types of window to enter into the global era.
That's interesting. I think we all live in our comfort, especially the three of you are so successful, you can live in your comfort zones, or you can do something a little bit different. And I think for Lee Jun-shi, I mean, you talked about being an actor as well, and before Squid Game, he also had 30 movies, 10 TV series under his belt, first Asian actor to get an Emmy, but now he's challenging himself to try to be a director, and that must not have been easy. So can you talk a little bit about challenge yourself again, trying to do something different? What were the steps? What's your thought process behind doing that?
제가 한 한 15년, 20년 전, 15년
About
전이었던 것 같아요.
15, 20, no, 15 years ago,
어떤 영화를 찍으려고 이제
I was getting ready
홍콩에서
for a
촬영을 할 때가
shoot,
있었고 또
and I was staying in Hong Kong, actually.
배우분들과 함께
And
영화 작업을 같이 하고 있었는데
I was working on this film with the
배우분이
Hong Kong actors.
연기자인데
And those
본인은
actors
다음 달에는
were not just
연출을
actors,
하고
they
저번
were actually going to be
달에는
part of
친구 영화
production in the next
프로듀서
month.
역할을 해줬다고 그러시더라고요.
Some of them were
그러면서
even producers
내년에는
of movies.
자기가 쓴
And in the
시나리오가
upcoming
영화로
year,
만들어질
one of their
것이다.
scenarios
이렇게
was
얘기하더라고요.
gonna
그래서 되게 좀
be turned into a
부럽다라는
movie.
생각이
And
들었는데
I watched that with a growing sense of longing.
배우이면서 감독이면서
They were
작가이면서
directors, screenwriters,
때로는 친구
and
영화
actors.
프로듀싱도 해주는
Sometimes
그런
they
사람인데
jump in on a
그게
friend's
이렇게
producing,
나뉘어지는 게 아니라 자기는
but they weren't
영화인이다라는
segments of themselves. They all came under the umbrella of being a film persona. And I thought that was a great aspect. And I thought that was such a great word to describe yourself, a film persona. So I really looked up to their passion, and I wanted to be as passionate as them. That's why I thought if I had the right opportunity, I wanted to dabble in producing and screenwriting.
연출까지 하게 될 줄은 몰랐고요.
I wasn't really expecting myself to be in the producing business, but
컨텐츠 비즈니스를 하는 사람이다.
as someone in the content business or as a film persona, I believe that you should be able to chase after your passion and do your best.
So, under Vision 2030, one of the big pillars, obviously, is a culture element.
Microphone
to it. And under
activated.
the culture is the film commission
Microphone
that tries
muted.
to attract movie making to come and being shot on Saudi shores. And I heard some good news that Director Yoon, you are currently working on a project on Saudi shores. Can you tell me how that project came to fruition? And maybe you can tell us a little bit about the project itself.
예, 뭐 결론적으로는 잘 돼가고
Well,
있고요.
it's going well.
내용은
So far, so good.
우리가
And
그때 저희 어워즈 그 시상식에서도 제가 말씀을 드렸는데
as I brought up during the awards,
1970년대
the content
그때
is
저희
about
부모님 세대가
our parent generations in the
사우디아라비아의 건설
1970s
현장에서
when they were
돈을
dispatched to the
벌어서
Saudi Arabian
그
construction
돈이
sites to
결국
gain
우리나라
money,
경제 발전에
and
큰
that
힘이
led us
됐습니다.
to an economic growth
그래서
of the Republic of Korea.
많은 한국인들이
So a
또
lot of Koreans back then
사우디아라비아를 되게 또 고맙게 생각을 하고
really
진심으로
showed
또 좋아하는 게
thankfulness and
사실입니다.
appreciation to
그래서
Saudi
그
Arabia, and that's why
당시에
Koreans do love Saudi Arabians as well.
사우디에서
So,
지금 주베일항을 메인 모티브로 삼고
Jubail
있는데
Port
그 주베일항을
in the past is
현대건설에서 이제 같이
the key theme
건설을
of the
했거든요.
project,
당시에
which was
현대건설의
actually made with the Hyundai ENC. So the
거기에
officials
같이
back then from
갈등과 또
Hyundai
지원을 했던 사우디아라비아의
and also
그 공무원
the public officials from Saudi Arabia. And the conflict and the fraud between the two of them is the main story. And we are partnering up with the Sella Group as well.
That's great, thank you. And JJ, I've heard obviously great news that you are now entering the world of directing, so congratulations to that. And you have also started your own entertainment company in Korea. Do you envision a future where you'd be doing some projects with Saudi entities?
너무 하고 싶다라는 생각이
I am more than willing to partner up with Saudi entities, and
있다 보니까
being here
뭔가 좀더
at Joy
아이디어를 더
Forum,
구체적으로 만들어서
I'm feeling that I should flesh out some ideas and really
많은
get creative with it.
배우들과 함께 연기를 할 수 있는 그런
I think that being able to having a story where multiple actors can come together and craft something would be a great opportunity, and I hope that through connections, I'll be able to create films where I can invite Saudi Arabian actors, or maybe a TV show that involves Saudi Arabian actors. I know that director Yoon is currently deep in production on Saudi shores, and I would like to take up the mantle after
So I
him.
have one last question, and then Hyun, you can wrap up. And my last question is for Byung-hun. 30 years of experience in what you do. the Korean film industry has become a global powerhouse. As a Saudi, and for many people in our audience today would want to know, what can we learn from the success of the Korean film industry that we can incorporate to grow our film industry to one day be, as big of a powerhouse as the Korean film is?
And I think it's mostly, being a renowned actor, what can we bring to the future actors, the
From the
management
acting
companies
front.
here?
Yep.
사실 저도 한국에서 배우로서 생활을 하면서
Well,
이
as a Korean
무브라는
actor
우리처럼
myself,
안에만 있으니까 왜 다른 나라에서도
I have
우리의
always
컨텐츠를 이렇게나
been
좋아할까
curious to
굉장히
know why
궁금했었어요.
K-pop is
그러다가
loved by
헐리우드에
so
있는
many
영화인에게
people
한번
around the world.
물어봤어요.
And I
왜
asked this
우리나라의
to someone
컨텐츠를
in the Hollywood scene,
사람들이 많이 찾고
the question regarding why
좋아하느냐
Korean content
크게
is highly
이야기하는
required
것이
by many, and
이야기의
the answer from them
독창성이었어요.
is about the originality
다양한
of the
소재와
story itself, because we utilize a lot of
알 수 없는 그런 어떤 이야기의 전개
subjects,
이런
and
것들에
something
대한
unexpected in
이야기를
terms of the
결국에는,
storytelling is captivating
표현의
to so many
자유가
people.
굉장히
So
중요하다는,
I realized that the
생각을 했어요.
freedom of expression
그런 어떤
is the most
표현들의
important
자유가
thing.
주어지고
And
또 지금의 어린 친구들
the young generations
10대,
here,
20대들의
I mean the
이제 막 영화를
teenagers and the
시작하려고
people
하는,
in their 20s
영화
who would like to
학도들,
jump into the movie
에게
scene,
정부 차원에서건 어디서건 계속 꾸준한
I think
투자가 좀 필요할
they
거라고
require
생각해요.
the investment
당장
from the
지금
public
눈에 보이는
sector
어떤
or
효과가,
the other way around.
있지는
Even
않더라도
though the investment
그것이
is not
5년 후에,
translated
10년
into the
후에,
result,
15년
I believe
후에
that
분명,
in 5, 10 to
큰
15
변화를
years
일으킬
of
거라는
time, they
그런
will
어떤 생각을
come up with a drastic
하게 돼요.
changes. That's my personal opinion.
If you want to see a master class in acting, please go watch Lee Byung-hun's movie No Other Choice that's in theaters now, which is one of his best acting roles. And one of the best acting roles I've seen, period, coming out of our country. It's phenomenal.
네. 그래서 지금 그러지 않아도
So
뉴욕 필름 페스티벌 그리고 런던 필름
the New York Film
페스티벌
Festival. So I've been to the New York Film Festival and London Film Festival, and I arrived here at KSA this morning, and I'm here today. Thank you very much.
I have one last question for Director Yoon, who's been making movies for a long time now. And when we talk about, and I know, his company JK Films was acquired by CJ, and he knows about the systems, the production, directing systems in Korea. We always get asked, how did we get so good at what we do? What's exportable from our Korean system into places like Saudi Arabia? So maybe you can talk a little bit about that.
간단하게 생각하면 한국 이 좁은 땅덩어리에서
To keep it
인구도
simple,
많지 않은데
Korea has
우리나라의 K
small land,
컬처가, K
not a lot of
콘텐츠가
population, but
이렇게
K-pop and
사랑을
K-culture
받는 이유가 뭘까
is
스스로 고민을
is
해봤었거든요.
beloved all around the
결론만
world.
이야기하면은 저는 두
I
가지
think it
S라고
all comes
생각해요.
down to the two
첫
S's.
번째는
The first
시스템인데요.
is system.
그 말이 뭐냐면은
And what I mean by
한국의
system
컨텐츠가
is
힘을
that
가지는 게
the reason
전
why the Korean
세계에서
content
없는
is
독특한
so
제작
powerful
시스템이
is
있습니다.
because of
그게
its unique
뭐냐면
production system.
대부분의 나라는
Most
투자사와
countries,
제작사가 있으면 제작사는
When they have the investment
투자사의
company
도움을
and
받아서
the
일정
producing
수수료를
company, the
받고,
producer will receive a
제품을
certain
만들어서
amount of
납품을 하는 구성
funding from the
시스템인데
investment and come
전
out with
세계에서
a product.
유일하게
But
우리나라는
Korea is the only country in
수익이
the
났을
world
경우에
where
약 40%
if there's
정도를
profit,
투자자와
about
제작사가
40%
쉐어를
of it
하게 됩니다.
will be shared by the
그러니까
producers and the
제작사도 잘
investor.
만들면
So
또
this
많은
means
돈을 벌 수
producers
있고
have incentive
그러니까
to create
많은
better
돈을 또
products.
제작사가 벌 수가 있으니까
And better
이 제작
products lead
파트,
to the
크리에이티브 파트에
producers
능력
earning more.
있는 인재들이 되게
And
많이
that's how
한국
we are able to garner so many
영화인들이 많이
talents
들어왔습니다.
into the producing
그때부터서는
department.
결국 이 컨텐츠는 사람이 하는 일이기 때문에 능력 있는
And that's why I
사람이 많이
think that
들어와서 그 사람의
we need to
능력에
gain a
의해서
lot
또
of
좋은
human
컨텐츠가
resources
많이
because
만들어지는
content at the end of the day
선순환이
is
이루어진 것
created by
같고요.
people.
두
It's a
번째
virtual
S는
cycle.
저는
The second
스타인
S
것 같아요.
is star.
배우는 결국 영화
I think
드라마의 꽃은 저는
actors
이제 배우라고 생각을 하는데 그
Are the
액터들이
pinnacle of any
단순하게
show or
한국에만
any
머무르지 않고
films.
또 배우
And these
스스로
stars,
끊임없이
these
또
actors,
도전을 하고
don't just stop at
세계로 진출을
being the star
하는
in
또
Korea, but they
도전을
continue to
하면서
apply
세계적으로
themselves
또
in becoming
인기를 얻고
greater
결국
stars
관객들이 보는 것은
in the world.
그 작품을 만드는 그 밑에 있는 사람보다는 결국
I
앞에
believe
드러나는
that
배우분들을 보기 때문에 그
While
스타 한
producing
명이
is also
가지는 그
important, the
파워는
stars who
저는 여기
are in
이두
front of the audience are
계셔서
very
그런 게
important.
아니라 그 어떤 그 파워보다 저는 크다고
I believe that
생각해요.
their star
그래서
power is
저는
greater than
사우디에서도
any other
그런 제작에
aspects
대한
when it comes to
크리에이터를
filmmaking.
우대하는 시스템과
So I think
또
that the system
세계적인
that incentivizes
스타가
creators
사우디 배우
and
중에서
world-class
나온다고 하면
stars
사우디 영화
are
산업,
what
콘텐츠
Saudi
산업도
film
전
industry
전
needs
세계에서
if it wants to
붙을 수
succeed.
있지
And I'm
않을까 하는 생각을
confident that they are
해봤습니다.
able to achieve both.
Thank you for that. I think we definitely have many more questions that we want to ask, but I think we're out of time. The one takeaway from this is that, these are masters of their craft, and I think mastery without sharing becomes memory. And what we build together becomes legacy. And I think these three gentlemen can definitely start building those bridges with the Saudi Arabian country.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, gentlemen. We really appreciate it, and we hope the audience enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
감사합니다.